Alright guys, so I just picked up a $148.99 Shimano RS-100 wheel set, front and rear with the quick releases from Jensen USA's headquarters. So living in SoCal comes with some perks, and now what I have is the brand new wheel set for my road bike. And one of the really cool things about this was that buying it new, first of all, ridiculously cheap. Number two though, I just got a 3-year warranty on these wheels for $37.99, I believe. And so with tax and for under 200 bucks, I've got a 3-year accidental damage protection warranty on this thing. So if anything wrong goes with it, I literally get a brand new set of wheels. So broken spokes, hubs, rims, cracks, anything like that. And I ride a lot, so this will be like a ridiculously good value training wheel set. I hope that the warranty exchange program is good. I was asking the guys a lot of questions about it, and it's literally you ship it, you just fill out a form, they'll ship you a new wheel set, or they'll fix whatever's broken on the one that you have. And yeah, so I'm really excited. And so this is the box, and I'll show you guys the unboxing of it when I get back. But yeah. Guys, and here they are all assembled. I still need to put on the hub, inner tube, and tire, but this is what they look like out of the box. Did come with 2 quick releases. These things came lubed, and they feel like they should be decent. The spoke tension feels to be pretty good. Wheels are true, and yeah, so looking forward to getting these things on the bike. Another nice little touch they gave was a little hub spacer for some of the cassettes that need it, so this guy would just wrap right around there. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw on some inner tubes, and it has some tires, and we're gonna see how this guy looks. Alright, so this is the end product for assembly, and just got this 11/28 9-speed cassette installed. We've got the quick releases put on this thing. We've got, I use thick inner tubes, the thorn resistant inner tubes, 25 mil tire front and rear, not the same rim, but I honestly don't care. I also got a tire liner in here because I really don't want to get flats, and yeah, I think I'm just about ready to throw these on the bike. So that's gonna wrap things up for this first part of this. I'll show you guys what they look like on the bike, and then I think we will be ready to have some fun with them.